Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Instacart shopper account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Instacart shopper account, first, open your device and launch the Instacart shopper app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Once the app is open, select the option for new shopper accounts. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that you will remember. Next, fill in your personal details like your name and phone number. Follow the prompts to submit your information. Check your email for a verification message from Instacart. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your address. After verifying your email, return to the app. Log in using the email and password you just created. You may then be asked to provide additional information, such as your location. Once completed, agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to complete a background check. Provide any necessary information required for the background check. After your background check is approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your app and log back in. You can now set up your payment and banking information. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your payment details. Once everything is set up, your account will be fully activated. You are now ready to start shopping as an Instacart shopper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.